Hello students, so this is the continuation of a perimeter and area of 7th standard of exercise 11.4 and I am your Shruti teacher. So till now we have studied about the squares, rectangle, circle and all. Now we can study about some applied questions. In the 11.4, question number 1, a garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of path. Also find the area of the garden in hectares. See, we know that how many hectares is equal to 1 meter square, or how many meter square is equal to 1 hectare. So it is 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. See here, garden is there of a 90 meter long, here 90 meter long and 75 meter broad, and the path is 5 centimeter, means here also 5 centimeter, here also 5 centimeter. Keep it in mind. At that time, why we have to count? Because we have to find the area of the garden, means only this much we need. If you need this much, we have to find this total minus, isn't it? Total minus this area. Okay, so length of rectangular garden is equal to 90 meter and breadth of a rectangular garden is 75 meter. So our length of rectangular garden with path is 90 plus 5 plus 5, 100 meter. Our outer breadth of rectangular garden with path is 75 plus 5 plus 5, 85 meter. Therefore, the outer area of rectangular garden with path is 100 into 85, 8500 meter. Inner area of a without path is 90 into 75. So it is 6750 meter square. Now area of path, only this much we need, means bigger minus smaller, as we did in a circle, no? Same way. Therefore, if you subtract 8500 minus 6750, 1750 meter square is there. But we need in hectares. So 1 meter square, we know 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectares, means 1 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000. So 6750 meter square is equal to 6750 divided by 10,000. It is nothing but 0.675 hectares. Then the question number 2, a 3 meter wide path, runs outside and around a rectangular park. See here, same as we did in a same way, but here only 3 meter is there. Of length, rectangular park length 125 and breadth 65. Same. Find the area of the path. It is also same. You must do it. Then the picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide, such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter long. Each side of its side is, find the total area of the margin. Same as it is only here. But it is a reverse process. Instead of an inner side, they are given the outside. The length of the printed cardboard is 8 centimeter and breadth of a painted card is 5 centimeter. Since there is a margin of a 1.5 centimeter long from each side, fit side, means we have to add to the 8 centimeter or subtract it total. Then it is called as a 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter reduced length inside. That means total 8 is there. Here 1.5, here 1.5, means we have to subtract it. So you can get the 5 centimeter of this length. Even in a 5 centimeter also, if you done 1.5, 1.5 means 3. So it is a 2, like that. So it is 5 into 2. In the same way, in a reduced breadth. So margin is 8 into 5 minus 5 into 2. Then the fourth one, a veranda of width of 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is a 5.5 meter long and wide 4 meter. Find its area of veranda, the cost of remaining floor of the veranda at the rate of rupees 200 per meter square. So here veranda is there of a width 2.5 as we have done here figure 2.5. Okay, this is a 5.5, this is a 4. If it is a 5.5, it is 4 means 5.5 plus 2.5, 2.25, 2.45 like this. It is 10 centimeter and 8.5 centimeter. So area of veranda is the total 10 into 8.5 minus 5 into 4, 63 meter square. The cost of remaining cementing is 1 meter square is rupees 200 means here 63 meter square is there. So 200 into 63. So it is 12,600 rupees. Question number 5. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden outside 30 meter. Here also 130 meter square is there. Sorry, it is become rectangle. No? Okay. Here 30 into 30 is there and 1 meter means it is a 31, not 31. Here 1 means 32 into 32 here. Find the area of the path means this area we have to find. So 30 into 32 into 32 minus 30 into 30 we have to done. Okay. And the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So total area is remaining for the gardening is nothing but 116 meter square is there. For 1 meter it is rupees 40. The area of portion is 784 is there because we have to subtract to plant the garden. Rupees 40 means, sorry, it is mistaken. So we have to, instead of 28 into 28, remaining portion is 116 centimeter square only. We have to find it. Okay, instead of 784. Okay, make it correction. Now sixth one, 2 crossroads. Here 2 crossroads of width 10 meter. This is the length 10 meter. Okay, cut at right angles like this through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter. So this is a 700, this is 300. In this 300, 10 is minus how much? Like that. And parallel to its sides, find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park excluding the crossroads. Means is this areas we have to find at that time. Give the answer in hectares. See here we have located the diagram like this. If ABCD is a garden, in this crossroads are done and we have made this as a PQRS and EFGH, and PQ is 10, PS is 300 and EH is 10 centimeter and HG is also 700. So why we have to find? Because see, if area of this total minus area of this 2 rectangles, but it is 2 times it is repeating, so this we have to 1 times we have to minus it. Okay, area of PQRS plus area of EFGH, this one, minus area of KLMN. Okay, KLMN is taken twice, which is to be subtracted twice. We can, no, that's why. So area of PQRS plus this one minus. So total crossroad is equal to, if you substitute, you'll get as a 9,900 meter square. Area of road in hectares is 1 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 hectares. So 9900 meter square is equal to 0.99 hectares. So now the area of a park excluding road cross means, so we have to find the total area of park minus crossroads. So already we have find the area of a crossroads is 9009 meter square. Area of total park is 700 into 300, that is 2,10,000 minus 9,900. It gives the 2,00,100 meter square. If you convert this as in hectares, 20.01 hectares. Then the seventh one, through a rectangular field of length 90 meter and a breadth 60 meter, two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at the right angles through the center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meter, find the area covered by the roads and the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of 110 rupees per meter square. So same as it is only here as we done in a before. Then eighth one, Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm adjoining figure and cut off the length required of the cord. Then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 cm also shown. Did she have any cord left? So radius of pipe is 4 cm and a wrapping cord circular pipe is 2 pi r centimeter because it is circumference wrapping means. Okay, if this is the case, what is the radius? So circular it is for 25.12 centimeter. So again wrapping a cord as a square means 4 into side, so 4 into 4 centimeter is 16 centimeter, but remaining cord is total minus square. So 25.12 centimeter minus 16 centimeter means it is at 9.12 centimeter cord is left. Then ninth one, the adjoining figure represents the rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Find. So here area of a whole land means 10 into 5. Area of a flower bed means 2 pi r square, and the area of the lawn excluding the flower bed means, so subtract 10 into 5 minus pi r square, you will get the circumference of flower bed. So circumference of flower bed of radius 2 meter. So area of rectangular lawn 10 meter, length breadth 5 meter. So area of the land, total land is 10 into 5, 50 meter square. Then the area of flower bed pi r square gives it 12.56 meter square. Excluding means subtract it in a 50 minus 12.56, so 37.44 meter square. Circumference of radius 2 centimeter gives a 12.56 meter. Then the 10th question, in the adjoining following figures, find the area of the shaded portion. See, if you want to find the shaded portion area means, so total minus this area we have to find, or what we can do, if you need this area means total minus this area and this area, you'll get a remaining portion. Here also in a total, triangle 1 area, triangle 2 area, triangle 3, if you subtract, adding these 3, if you subtract in whole, you will get this one. Here also this 2 triangles area, if you done, add it and subtract it in a whole. So first question diagram is clearly given. So it is a right angle means length into breadth you can take. It is a right angle means length into breadth you can take, but it is total is 18 into 10. Here also same thing. So one I'll show. So here AB is 10 plus 18, 10 plus 8, 18 centimeter. BC is 10 means area total is 18 into 10, it is 180. Okay, then these two triangles we have to add it and subtract. So what is the area of a formula of area of triangle? Half of height and base. So half of base and height means 10 into half of 10 into 8, 10 into 8 and 6 into 12, sorry 6 into 10. So this is how we can add it. So 180, 30 plus 40, 70, 180 minus 70 is 110 centimeter square. So that one is also you can do it. Then this is the last question of this lesson. Find the area of the equilateral triangle, equilateral ABCD. Okay, it is a parallelogram. Here AC is a 22 centimeter total and BM is 3 centimeter and BM is 3 centimeter, DN is 3 centimeter, BM is perpendicular to AC, DN is perpendicular to AC. So that means we have to find the area of total. Here, so here area of triangle ABC plus ADC, total area of triangle ABC plus ADC is equal to half of AC into BM, half of AC into DN. Then we got a equilateral ABCD as a half of 22 into 3 plus half of 22 into 3, that gives the 66 centimeter square. So it is quadrilateral ABCD we can get. Okay, thank you for watching, and complete it and practice well more and more examples related to perimeter and area, then only it will understand. If you don't understand, once again you watch this video very clearly, you can understand. Okay, thank you.